Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Cognito and React Native step by step clearly. To get started with AWS Cognito authentication in React Native, first create a new React Native project. Open your terminal and run the command to initiate a React Native app. Navigate into the project folder once it's created. Next, install the AWS Amplify library, which simplifies the process of working with AWS services. Use the command to install AWS Amplify and its dependencies. After the installation is complete, configure AWS Amplify in your project. Open the main entry file of your React Native app, usually app.js. Import Amplify from the AWS Amplify package. Now, create a configuration object with your AWS Cognito details. You will need to include the user pool ID and the app client ID. Call the amplify.configure method with your configuration object as an argument. Once configured, you can set up the authentication flow. First, create a sign-up function for registering users. Use AmplifySoft module to call the sign-up method. This method will require the username, password, and user attributes like email. Next, create a sign-in function to authenticate users. Utilize the author sign-in method with the username and password as parameters. Handle the returned promise to manage authentication states. You should also implement error handling for both sign-up and sign-in processes. After successful authentication, store the session or user details for future use. You can create a function to log users out using author sign-out. Remember to protect your routes based on authentication status. Now create a simple user interface to facilitate sign-up and sign-in actions. Use text input components for capturing username and password. Add buttons for the user to submit their credentials. Link the buttons to the respective sign-up and sign-in functions. Test your application on a simulator or a physical device to ensure everything works. Check for any console logs or errors to troubleshoot any issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.